I had many DMs on Instagram about how to last longer in bed. So if you want to last longer in bed, if you want to satisfy your woman, your wife, your girlfriend, you need to do every day, without exception, every day you need to do kegel exercises. So every time you contract the pubococcygeal muscle, like any muscle in the body, will get stronger. Guess what? When you do 500 contractions every day, this muscle will be your friend because you can control it. So when you feel that you need to come, you contract this muscle and you can delay your ejaculation. Chinese martial arts can do that, and many others. You can start from today. Start with 100 contraction. Tomorrow you can do 110. After tomorrow you can do 120. And day by day you add 10 more contractions. When you reach 500, you can come back to the 100 contractions, and now you do it slowly and you keep it there. 6 seconds contraction and release for another 2-3 seconds. Again contract for 6 seconds, release for 2-3 seconds. In this way you make this muscle, like this very important muscle for sex, you will make it strong enough, like your biceps, and you can use it in your practice. Sex is not about ejaculation. Sex is about energy exchange and energy growth. You increase your energy when you have sex, but it's important that you keep that energy as long as you want. This means that you have control over your body. This means that you are not a slave of the body. You can control your body. This means you are a free man. I always talk about how to be a free man. This is another way you can be a free man. If you are healthy, you are a free man. If you are rich, you are a free man. If you can control your body in any situation, you are a free man. So this is one of the situations when you can control your body. But in order to do that, you need to have control over this very important muscle, the pelvic floor muscle. Start from today, 100 reps, and continue until you reach 500.